Who was Owain Glyndŵr, the last native Prince of Wales, and how did he help to shape the history of our nation? Born around 1359, he was descended from the Welsh princes of Powys, Deheubarth and Gwynedd. According to tradition, he was proclaimed Prince of Wales in 1400 at his manor in Glyndŵr. He led the Welsh revolt against the rule of Henry IV of England, lasting 15 years. This was the Glyndŵr Rebellion. Many Cadw castles were besieged during this time, including Caernarfon, Coeti, Dinefwr and Cydweli. He also has other connections to Cadw locations. His Tudur cousins from Anglesey occupied Castell Conwy for 8 weeks in 1401, and he captured Castell Harlech, where he held a parliament in 1405. Although the revolt was ultimately unsuccessful, he's still remembered as a visionary statesman and one of Wales's greatest national heroes. No one is sure how or where Owain Glyndŵr died, but many believe the last native Prince of Wales passed away quietly on his daughter Alice's estate. Visit some of these Cadw locations which shaped Owain Glyndŵr's life. Cadw, for us all to keep.